Hi, David here of Lancaster Honda, and here we've got a 71 plate Honda Jazz Crosstar. It's an EX model, which means it is top of the line, as all Crossstars are, and you don't see them very often in black, to be honest. So what I'll be doing in this video is just showing you what features you get on it, as the condition is going to be immaculate with it being essentially a new vehicle. So this is the alloy design on it, nice diamond cut wheels. You also get a little bit of a moulding all the way around the entire vehicle, as you can see. Stops you suffering rust as badly and prevents stone chips. So the vehicle does have keyless entry. So the wing mirror is currently tucked in. If I just put my hand behind there, opens up. And then if you want to lock it, reverse that process, there's three little dots just on there. Just as long as the key's in range, you just press that and it locks itself back up again. And onto the front, you get parking sensors at both corners there. And then as you go, you've got them at the back as well. But you've also got a reverse camera just there. So the keyless entry also goes to the boot as well. You've just seen me lock it. Keys in range again, boot pops straight open. It's got a fairly low loading lip as well, so it's quite easy to lift things over that. And you do also get a little bit of storage underneath, and I've just put the plastic covers for the seats in there for the time being so you can see what they're made of. So I'll just close that up now. Just into the rear, you do get Honda's Magic Seat System. It seems there's some documents just down there as well. We'll ignore them for the time being. So as you can see, you can fold it up out of the way with one hand there, and it gives you loads of vertical storage space if the boot's not quite high enough there for you. And then with it being a Crosstar top spec, sorry about the sunlight there, you do also get USB slots in the back, so two of them as you can see. And if that's not enough, you also get this nifty little phone holder there. And then just jumping into the front now, so you've got your electric folding mirrors and electric windows all round. Just gonna put the sun visor down, see if it helps at all. So I'll just start the engine. You'll see the mileage super low. I apologise for the sunlight, it's gotten very bright. So as you can see, 6 miles on the clock, next to nothing there. And then do apologise for the sun, it has gotten very bright recently. Let me just start there. So as you can see, you do get navigation on this, and there's our location, White London Industrial Estate. You also get plenty of ways to connect your music up, so if you want to have a look there, you've got AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth audio, USB, smartphones, so smartphones, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And then comes with automatic gearbox, as all hybrids do. If they're full hybrids, only mild hybrids can come as manuals. So you've got park, reverse, neutral drive and regenerative braking. Then you've got your economy mode underneath, and your electronic parking brake with brake hold. You've also got climate control in here with heated seat buttons at each end. As you can see, we have 3 settings. So 3, 2, 1, as you'd expect. And then in the middle you do get an armrest, which isn't the norm of vehicles this size, but it's got quite a lot of storage underneath as well, so that's very handy. And then just to finish this video up, last couple of features, you do have a split glove box there. Let's see if I can get a good view. And then bottom just down there with all the book manual, all the manual and everything in, but there's not going to be any service history on this, so it's not due a service yet. And the last feature we'll just finish with is you do get automatic lights and automatic wipers. So if you're interested in one of these, don't hesitate to give us a call and we'll see how we can help you out. Thanks, take care, bye.